Okay, alright class. So today I would like to discuss the question generated and learned from the chapter 12. So before this, I give you video already discussed until question number 4. Okay, so today we are going to continue discussion about question number 5. Okay, first of all, I would like to ask you, this one I already give as a exercise for you before this. Is it right? Yes or no? Question generated and learned, chapter 12. Class? Legit, you still remember? This one? Question generating excellent from the chapter 12. Is it I already give you as exercise before this? Yes or no? Class? No one remember?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay,
thank you.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Dipita, for respond. Okay, so if you already do this one, okay, after the discussion, you can check your answer. Okay, so question number 5 here. Question is given the following numbers, 2, 4, 6, 6, 8, and 12. Okay. Okay. A, determine the mean, median, and modes for of the set of data above. Okay, right. So this one, question 5A. So remember to find the mean. This one given to you, it is what type of data? Do you still remember? This one known as what? What type of data? Is it a group data or ungrouped data? Anyone can tell me what type of data this one? 2, 4, 6, 6, 8, and 12 here. This one known as, it is a ungrouped data because the data given to you not in the table. Okay, so you have to find the mean for this ungrouped data. So to find the mean, what you have to do? Dipita, can you tell me how to do this one? How to find the mean for this one?
You have to plus all the way, then divide by the number. So you divide by 6.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, that's correct. So you have to find the average for this data. That means you have to total all the data there. Then you have to divide with the number of data. So the answer for question 5A, mean, it is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 and 12. Okay, then you divide with the 6. Okay, so the answer is, okay, wait. Okay, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12. Okay, then 38 you divide with the 6. So you will get the answer equal to 6.3333.
6.3.
Then you can round off. Yeah, so the answer is equal to 6.3. Yeah, okay. That's correct. So the answer is 6.3 or 6.33. Okay, it is a mean. So the median, how about the median? How to find the median for this one?
The most number used, so the median is 6.
The median is 6.
No, the mode is 6.
Are you sure?
The mode is 6.
Yeah. So, the median, we have to find the number.
The median
by, we have to do what? Rearrange.
It is also 6, teacher.
Yeah.
Yes, it is 6.
Okay.
Because 6 plus 6 divide 2 is also 6.
Okay, alright. That's correct. Okay, thank you. And for your information, class, maybe for maths and the other subject, there will be an exam, online exam. Okay, so please do some revision for the previous chapters and also form 1 also. Okay, for your final evaluation, there will be a maths examinations through online. Maybe So I will update to you. Okay. All right. So to find the median, remember for this one you have to rearrange the data in the ascending or descending order. Okay. So this data already arranged in ascending order. So you just what to do to find the median. You can search first data, you can search the last data, you can search the second data, you can search the second last data. Then you will get the two data, 6 and 6. So what to do? You have to plus these two data, then you divide with the 2. Then you will get answer equal to 6. Okay, so that's the median. And the mode for this data, remember the mode is the data which is have the highest frequency or the most frequent data, which is equal to 6. Okay, so that's the answer for question 5A. Okay, now look at question 5B. Okay, calculate the new mean, median and mode if, okay, 5B1. 5B1, 2 is add to each number. Okay. So what happened?
the new mean is 8.33.
Yeah. New mean also equal to 8.33. Okay, thank you, Aripita. So when the 2 is add to each number, so the mean also you have to add with the 2. So 8.33. Okay, all right. So how about question B2? When each number is multiplied by 2.
The mean is multiplied by 2.
Yeah. Yeah, so that means the mean also you have to multiply with the 2, right?
Yeah, teacher.
So equal to 6.3, 12.66. Okay. So B3
12.6.
also
7.
Yeah. Yes. So for B3 you also have to subtract the mean with the 2. Okay. And for question 4 also you can divide the mean with the 2 for this one, for the B4 here. Okay, all right. And also for the median, what happened for the median? B1. Calculate the new median if 2 is add to each number. Anyone want to try? What happened to the median? Is it median changes?
Teacher, I can try.
Okay, you can try. Okay.
Yeah, it works.
Okay.
The median will be 8.
Median will be 8. Okay, so what we can conclude there, the median for the original median, we also add with the 2, right?
Plus 2.
Yeah, plus 2. So yeah, so that's why the median also equal to 8. And how about B2? Median, it is equal to 12. You multiply with the 2 also. So same with the B3, the median, you subtract with the 2, you will get 4.
3.
Sorry.
Subtract 2. Okay, yeah.
You 6, so you minus with the 2, you get 4. And B4, question B4, yeah, 3. Okay. And the same also for the mode there. Okay, the new mode, how to get that one? You add with the 2, right?
8. Yeah, you add with 2 will be 8. And
so
then it will be
B2 also 12, B3 4, and this one
3.
Okay, class, all of you can understand this one, 5A, 5B. Okay, if any student don't understand, please tell me. You can write your question, the chatting there, or you can on your mic there. You can directly ask me. Okay, now look at question 6 here. Okay, this one, class. Can you tell me how to do this one? Anyone? Anyone want to try this one? Okay, please, class, try to answer this one first. Question 6. The mean of 4 number is 40. If 2 numbers x and x plus 2 are added to the set of data, the new mean is 15. Calculate the value of x. Okay, try to answer this one, class. Okay, Legit. Do you already get the answer? Question 6.
Not yet, teacher.
Okay, alright. We try to find the answer.
Teacher, go back to the question.
Okay, alright. Okay, this one. Okay, question is the mean of 4 number is 14. Question 6. Do you already get the answer?
Teacher, is it 16?
Okay, wait. Question 6. Yes, the answer is 16. Okay, thank you.
So is it 16? Yeah, even I got 16.
Okay, good.
Because there is 4 numbers,
Mhm.
and if once you divide the 4 numbers, you get 14. So x should be 14. Then 14 plus 2 is 16.
Mm, uh, that's not the correct step method. You have to use the formula to find the mean. Remember the formula to find the mean. Mean equal to average of data. That means we have to find the total. We have to add all the data. Then you divide with the number of data. Okay. So for this one, the mean of 4 number is 14. So mean you substitute with the 14. So let's say the 4 number you label as A, B, C, D. So 14 equal to A plus B plus C plus D. Then you divide with the 4. Okay. So next. Right. Okay, from this one. Okay, you can find the
A plus B plus C plus D is 56.
yeah. So A plus B plus C plus D equal to 14
56.
multiplied with the 4, 56, right? That's the
Yeah.
total number of data for the 4 data there. Then the data changes because the 2 number been added to the data. So the new mean it is equal to 15. So you substitute 15 in the formula of the mean. So 15 equal to A plus B plus C plus D, then plus X, then plus X plus 2. Then divide with the 6.
Or
Okay.
then you move the 2 the other side, then you get
Yeah.
16. Okay.
So A, B, C, D plus E plus X plus 2 equal to, okay, 15 multiplied with the 6 equal to 90, right? Okay, so 90 equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus X plus 2. Okay, okay, all right. So we want to know the value for X. So we can find the total the total what the total value of 2 data, the total value of the 2 number, which is equal to 90 you minus with the 56. Okay, 90 you minus with the 56, you will get equal to what class? 90 minus 56. Anyone? Try to calculate 90 minus with the 56 equal to
19
34.
minus 56.
90.
Or 15.
34.
54. No, 34. Okay, 90 you minus with the 56, you will get 34. So what actually 34? 34 actually is the summation of the 2 new data. Okay.
54 is actually x plus 2 equals to
Yeah,
54.
yeah, 34. Not 54, 34. Okay, so we can use that equation to find the value for x. So x plus 2 equal to 34. Okay, then you will get x plus x equal to 2x. 2x plus 2 equal to 34.
2x equals to 32.
Okay, yeah, 2x equal to 32. Then x equal
Then you
to,
divide to
yeah, x,
6.
yeah,
16.
60. Okay,
16.
so the answer,
Yeah.
the value for x is equal to 60. Okay, class, can you understand how to do question 6? So this type of question maybe coming out in your exam. If from the chapter 12. So you must be ready for this type of question. Okay, the question that ask you to think. Okay. Okay, so that's the answer for question 6.
But teacher, how do you answer online?
Uh, that's later because that one is just is still in the discussion among the department, maths department, science department, and all the subject. So if
You can
that one is
you can
confirmed,
write the
I will
answer, but then
maybe
you cannot write the calculation online.
maybe in the Google form, you have to what, send the pictures of your step and answer there. Maybe like that. Uh, because we don't have any choice. If the exam through the online will be what held by the school, maybe that way. Okay, so I will confirm with all of you later for this one. So just now, what you have to do, please do revision. Okay, you have time. Please study Form 1 syllabus and also Form 2. Form 2. All right. So question 6 here. So any student don't understand this one, you can tell me. Okay. Question 6. All of you can understand how to get answer the value for x here. Okay. All right. Okay. Now look at question 7. Okay. Question 7. The mean of 4 numbers is 71. Two of the numbers are 56 and 48. The value of the other two number is x respectively. Okay, you must understand the question. Okay, 7a, calculate 1, the sum of the 4 number. Okay, anyone can tell me what answer for question 7a1? What is the sum of the 4 number?
Teacher, 284.
Okay, how you get that one? Can you tell me?
71 times 4.
Yeah, good. Yeah, that's the answer. Okay, thank you, Umar. Okay, so that's the answer. So to get the sum of 4 number, that means 71, you multiply with the 4. Use the formula to find the mean. Okay, all right. Next question 7a2. The value of x.
180.
Okay, thank you, Legit. Value of x, 100, 180.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, all right. Okay, now we check the answer. Wait, okay, right. Okay, how to get the value for x? Okay, 180x. Okay, it's okay, Legit. We check the answer.
Times 4 times 71 first.
Okay, all right. Okay, the value for x, how to know this one? Okay, firstly, the mean of 4 number is 31. 2 of the number are 56. Okay, so you have to use the formula for me. Okay, remember, the mean equal to the total data you divide with the number of data. So the total of the two data equal to Umar, can you tell me again what is the answer for question 7a, A1?
284.
Sorry.
284.
284.
284.
Okay, thank you. 284. 284 is the summation of the 4 number, right? Okay, alright. Then equal to, okay, the summation of the two number, 56 plus 48. If you plus equal to, okay, anyone can plus that one, 56 plus 48.
104.
Okay, 104. Okay, 104. And another two number, it is number x, respectively. That means each number is x. So two number, that means x plus x. Okay, understand?
Yeah, so it's
Okay,
2x.
104 plus
So
2x.
x, this is so 2x equals to 180. Then 180 divide 2 equals to 90. So x equals to 90.
Yeah, good. Yeah, so the answer x equal to 90. Okay. So the answer for 7A2, it is 90 because 284 you minus with the 104. Okay, you will get 180. Then x equal to 180, you divide with the 2, you will get 90. Okay, class, can you understand how to get the answer? 7A2. Okay, legit, can you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Okay, now look at question 7B. Okay, subtract 5 from each of the four number. Okay, calculate the new value of mean.
Teacher, the new mean will be 9.
The new value of mean equal to
9.
9.
Eh?
Alright.
No, not 9, not 9.
Are you sure
It
9?
is 60, 60, 66.
Yeah, okay. Okay, to know the new mean value of mean, okay, you can do a long method, okay, or you can choose a short method. Understand? How to do the long method?
The long method is you minus with everything. So
Yeah.
56 minus 5, 48 minus 5, 90 minus 5, 90 minus 5. Then you calculate the mean again. The short method is 71 minus 5 equals to 66. So that's the
Okay.
new mean.
Yeah, good. Okay, it's better for you to choose the short method. 71, you minus with the 5. Because all the number being subtract with the 5. So the mean also you have to subtract with the 5. So you will get the new mean which is equal to 66. Okay, 66. 66. Okay, class, can you understand how to get that one? 7B? Okay, all right. So, okay, let's look at question 8. Okay, question 8 here. The stem and leaf table below represent the distance in kilometer by a group of runners during a cross-country event. Okay, so this one, okay, this one also a popular question for this chapter. So you have to understand how to read the data here in the stem and leaf representation here. Okay, so 8A, determine one mean. Okay, anyone want to try? What answer for 8A1? Okay, try to calculate this one first. Determine mean. Okay, class. Who already get the answer for question 8? What answer here? What answer for 8A1?
Teacher 32.2.
22? Yes, Umar?
32.2.
Okay, 32.2. Okay, thank you. 32.2. All right. Okay, any others answer? Okay, if no, okay, now we try to do this one together. Okay, so to find the mean, okay, you have to total all the data there, then divide with the number of data. Okay, that mean equal to 23 plus 24 plus 26 plus 29 plus 30 plus 31 plus 32 plus 32, then plus 32 plus 34 plus 34, and plus 38, 35 plus 38 plus 42, then plus 42, then you divide with the number of data which is equal to 15. Okay, so after that, okay, wait, I try to calculate this one. 3 plus 34 plus 6 30 plus. Yes, you will get answer equal to 32.266667. Or you can run off to the two decimal places. Okay, equal to 32.3. Okay, the answer is 32.3 or 32.27. Okay, that's the answer for question 8A1. Okay, class, can you understand how to get that one?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, right. Okay, now how to find the mode here? From this data. Okay, anyone to try? What answer for this one?
32, teacher.
Okay, 32. Right. Yes, the answer is right. Wait, the mode yeah, 32. The answer is right because 32 have the highest frequency. 32 repeated 3 times. Yeah, the mode it is equal to 32. Okay, 8A3 median. Okay, what answer for this one? What is the median? Okay, try to find this answer. Okay, class.
Teacher, I think it's 32.
Okay, legit. Your answer is 32. Alright. Okay, now we try to do this one together. Okay, so how to do this one? Okay, you have to list of all the data in the ascending or descending order. Then after that, you cancel first data at the last data. Okay, until you will get the data which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you will get the data which is equal to 32. Okay, the median equal to 32. Okay, class. Anyone who don't understand how to do this one? It's A3. Okay, please tell me. Let me know. Okay, all right. If all of you understand this one, okay, we proceed to the question 8B. What is the percentage of participants who ran a distance of 32 kilometer or more? Okay, so how to do this one? Percentage. Okay, class, try to answer this one. 8B. Okay, anyone already get answer? 8B, what answer there?
Teacher, 60%.
Yeah, good. The answer is 60%. Thank you, Ma. Okay, so the answer is 60%. How to know 60%? Okay, you have to find the total data which is have 32 kilometer and above from this data. So after you calculate, you will find out there is 9 data. Okay, 9 data which is in the range of 32 kilometer and above. Okay, so to find the percentage, that means now you have to divide with the total of data, which is equal to 15. So 9 over 15, you multiply with the 100%. So you will get the answer equal to 60%. Okay, that's the answer for 8B. Okay, class. So I think for our class today, I will stop discussion until question 8. Okay, if you have any question about this exercise of what I already discussed before this, you can ask me in the Telegram. Okay, and for your exercise today, okay, please look at this one. Question 9. Question 9, question 10. Class, I just want to confirm with you. This one, did you already do this one as your exercise before this? Question 9 and 10? Do you still remember? Oh, not sure. Okay, all right. If not sure, okay. So, okay, for your exercise today, okay, I want you to do this one. Question generative excellent, question 9, question 10, and question 11. Okay, try to answer this one in your math exercise. Okay, so please do this one. Okay, try to find the solution. Okay, show the method, not just the answer. Okay, let's say question 9A, calculate mean. Okay, don't just simply state the mean, the answer that cannot. You have to show the step how to get the what that one. Okay, so after you finish this one, please send to me your homework. This one, question 9, 10, and 11. Okay, through the Telegram. Okay, all right. So I think that's all for our class today. So any question, class, before I stop the Google Meet today?
No, teacher.
Okay, all right. So that's all for our class. Okay, thank you because join our lesson today. All right. Okay, thanks, class.
Okay, thank you, teacher. Bye.
Okay, bye. All right.
Thank you, teacher. Bye.